a lot of desserts to choose from here. For the sweet tooth lovers, you can get it here from Jix and Ayala. Okay, look at it guys. Ayan yung kanilang paninda. So yan. Everyone of the here. For those who are sweet tooth lovers, you can come here and you can buy this kind of sweet. So masarap yun. You have a lot of things to choose from. You can find it here in Jix. Oh, there's their pastillas. See? Thank you for viewing.